Hey, this is Nate from Pulse PEMF, and we have 2 drink recipes today that are gonna add some nutritious and delicious to your spring season. We're gonna be using Pulse Fuel in both of these drinks, which is our own liquid superfood supplement that contains an impressive array of vitamins, minerals, prebiotics, superfood extracts, and a whole lot more. You should seriously check out the label sometime. And since the weather is getting warmer, let's get these cold drinks started. Our first drink combines fizz and fuel. It's a fizzy fuel. Carbonated beverages are the top-selling drinks around the world for a reason. However, these sodas or pops or whatever you call it, wherever you're from, they're just not healthy at all. So we took the joy of fizzy drinks and added some nutritious flair and flavor so that anytime you want to reach for a carbonated beverage that is sweet, tasty, packed full of nutrients, look no further than this fizzy fuel. Start with 1 cup sparkling water and add 30 milliliters of Pulse Fuel. Now keep in mind that 30 milliliters is actually 2 servings, so we are getting a double portion of the benefits. Then add the honey and juice of your choice, stir, and if you desire, add ice and mint to garnish. Our next drink is perfect for pool parties, weekend chill times, or anytime you just want something fruity or tangy on the go. We combine the tropical flavors of pineapple and orange with the fruity sweetness of Pulse Fuel and the natural electrolytes of coconut water to create a delicious punch that will delight kids and adults. For those who like sour and want the extra benefits, adding in a serving of vitamin C powder, particularly ascorbic acid, will take this warm weather drink to another level. Most of us don't get enough vitamin C in our diets anyway, so it's good to sneak it in whenever we can. Vitamin C is not just good for the immune system, but it's also good for the brain and the skin. If the coconut water flavor isn't to your liking, you can always substitute it out for electrolyte enhanced purified water. However, if the flavor doesn't bother you, coconut water is great for energy and digestion. It is one of the best sources of hydration and is loaded with potassium and natural electrolytes. Combine 1/2 cup coconut water or electrolyte water with 30 milliliters of Pulse Fuel. Then add 1/2 cup orange juice, 1/4 cup pineapple juice, and if you like the sour, 1 teaspoon of vitamin C powder. Stir thoroughly so the powder dissolves, then serve chilled or with ice. That is so good. And you can enjoy it with your friends and your family this spring and summer season. Check out our YouTube channel for more recipes and tips on how to enhance your life. But for now, I'm going to finish my drink. I'll see you next time.